Welcome back to the channel. So this is for people that have got the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and are having issues with the air tips or active noise cancellation or wind noise, all of which I've got. And when I refer to wind noise, I am not talking about any digestive problems. So let me just show you here. These are the buds. I have already reviewed 2 other brands of buds. So look at my previous videos. And make sure you please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I'm wasting my money so you don't have to. And I do all the research so you don't have to do that as well. Now, these ones are from AZLA that have got great reviews, and I've ordered them. Let's have a look how you open these things. Voila. And you have to buy a set. Because most people, including me, don't know exactly what size I am. I do use the large ones here, and I have ordered large ones previously, like these are large, but they were too small from a different brand. And these were large from another brand, too small. So here I've got medium, large, and extra large. Okay. They're made out of some very hygienic silicone plastic. When you first look at them, tough to work out which one's which, but I'm guessing these 2 are the large ones. And I'm going to take these out just to show you. Yep, just to show you. I'll edit that bit out. Goes in. Going to take that one out. This is the original Samsung one. I find it very uncomfortable. And I was one of those unfortunate ones, even with the new batch, just to show you and remind you for those who have not seen my previous videos, this is what happened to my Samsung original bud when I bought it. Samsung denied ever seeing this problem before, which of course is all over the internet. So I had to buy new tips. That's why I chose white ones here. Hope this is all making sense as we go along. I'm going to take this one off, and I'm guessing this is the large. This is the medium large, and that is medium. They're not marked. Oh, at least I can't see any markings. Nope, no markings. And they are not round, which is exactly what you want, because this is not round. Real close up there. Okay, and I'm now going to just see if this clips in. That fit. Once you do get it, it does seem to fit. Pop it in. This is going to be the test. That feels good. I'll do the left one while we're here, and that's in. That's what it looks like. You have a choice, I believe, of 2 colors. And let me just do the test on Samsung. Let me just go here, and let's go to settings. With the original ones large, it fitted. So I'm going to press start. I've got to be in a dead quiet place, and let's see. Good fit on the right, but not the left. Let me just try that a little bit, moving it around. This is not a good sign. One more time. Pause. Oh, look. Now, I've got a good fit on the left and a poor fit on the right, and I haven't touched the right. One more time. Okay, so it looks like we have success. I'm going to give a full review a bit later on about the sound quality, etc., etc. Okay, These are the large, right, let me just do it like that. Move that out the way, close that. That is the large original. This is the large one of this brand, the AZLA Eartip from AZLA. And when you look at it, I don't know if the cameras can see that. So to sum up, I think my expectations were probably too high. They fit well, they're comfortable, they're a more hygienic material, theoretically anyway, but there was no difference that I noticed. I must emphasize that I noticed. It's a very personal thing because it depends on the shape of your ear. Regarding the wind noise, that hadn't changed at all, and my active noise cancellation also had not changed. In fact, it may be slightly better with the original. Now, it could be a number of factors. It could be my earbuds are still defective. These are my second set. And it could even be that the ear tips, because they are brand new from AZLA, I got a bad batch. You never know. So I am going to send this, as I mentioned, to them and see if I get any response. If I do, I'll add it in the notes below. I think your mileage will vary. And looking at Reddit, many people are saying they're fantastic and brilliant and the best alternatives that we have at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And I did this. I don't get paid in any way with any of my videos. No commissions, no referral fees. I did this really to help other people perhaps lower their expectations or at least to be a bit wary about this purchase. I hope this really does help most of you anyway. I've now probably wasted the best part of $100 on ear tips, all of which I reviewed. It all started off when I had that original problem. I knew it was a bad start when I got this one. Please subscribe to the channel. It really does help. And I'm not sure if I'm going to spend more money on ear tips. Let me know your thoughts if I should. Should I wait for some more of the better known brands to come out that are foam? I thought these should be maybe a little bit bigger. I don't know. But that's the end of the video.